The Beijing Off-road BJ30 Traveler officially went on sale on September 27. 6 models, including fuel-powered and hybrid versions, are available with prices ranging from 99,900 to 136,900 yuan. An upgraded version of the current BJ30, the BJ30 Traveler features significant configuration changes and, for the first time, a 7-seat configuration. The BJ30 Traveler retains the brand's iconic square box shape. The most noticeable changes are the addition of 3 new exterior kits, a roof platform, a side ladder, and a small backpack. Officially referred to as the 3 main body reinforcement parts, these components give the overall vehicle a more brutal appearance. The front of the vehicle retains the classic 5-hole air intake grille, and the front fascia is equipped with a ring-shaped lighting cluster. The transparent headlight housing creates a layered effect when illuminated. The black bumper and silver skid plate at the bottom of the vehicle's front end accentuate the robust visual style. The roof rack has been upgraded to a roof platform, significantly increasing loading capacity. The 4 roof lights integrated into the roof platform not only enhance the off-road feel but also effectively improve night vision in the wilderness. After the roof platform was upgraded, a side ladder was added to facilitate the removal of larger and heavier items. The side ladder is made of metal with an acceptable overall load-carrying capacity and features a quick-release design, making it very easy to open and close. The vehicle features clear side lines and a discrete D-pillar design, creating a floating roof effect. The vehicle measures 4,730 mm in length, 1910 mm in width, and 1,790 mm in height, with a wheelbase of 2,820 mm. According to official data, the space-to-space ratio reaches 66%, indicating a generally high level of interior space utilization. With a 25 degrees approach angle, a 30 degrees departure angle, a 21 degrees longitudinal transition angle, and a minimum ground clearance of 215 mm, the vehicle easily meets the needs of light off-road driving. The vehicle carries a small backpack at the rear, but this backpack does not include a spare tire. Instead, it serves as a small storage area. It can also be used as a makeshift small coffee table when the backpack lid is opened. In terms of interior space, the overall design is in line with the previous model. It is equipped with a 10.25-inch full LCD instrument cluster and a 14.6-inch central control display. The vehicle features a built-in Qualcomm 8155 chip, is equipped with the UAS Circle app, and supports photo updates. Configurations include a flat-bottomed leather steering wheel, a yacht-style gear lever, a turbine-shaped ATS off-road control button, and more. The front seats fold flat 180 degrees and can be connected to the rear seats to create a relaxing area. It features a new 2+3+2 7-seat layout, increasing curb weight by 60 kilograms to 1,660 kilograms compared to the 5-seat model. The third-row seats fold completely flat to create a flexible footprint. Luggage capacity is 420 liters in normal use, increasing to 1,496 liters with the rear seats folded, and the maximum depth is 1902 mm. It is available with both gasoline and hybrid powertrains. The gasoline version is equipped with a 1.5T engine producing 138 kilowatts of maximum power and 305 Nm of torque, coupled with a 7-speed wet dual-clutch transmission. Its top speed is 185 km per hour. The hybrid version uses a hybrid system consisting of a 1.5T engine and an electric motor. Its total maximum power is 301 kilowatts and its maximum torque is 685 Nm. It accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 6.59 seconds.